High up in the Atlas Mountains of Morocco, where it can reach freezing temperatures up to -10 in winter, children are often seen walking about in clothing that is not suitable for winter. Many times they suffer from the cold because they lack the very basic needs. These children are exposed to many health hazards as they suffer from the bitter cold in extreme weather conditions. We are in desperate need of help with winter clothing for 200 very poor children and young adults between the ages of 4 to 19 years old, all of which are students. Please help to spread the warmth this winter for only £20 per child. We could provide them with much needed jackets, gloves, scarves, pants, hats and socks. Inshallah, we will distribute the clothing to these poor people ourselves in the beginning of October 2023. Please donate. To donate by bank transfer from UK, use the following: MIZAAN Foundation, Lloyds Bank, account number 244271168, sort code 309950. Please use the following reference: MOR-Winter. Donate by bank transfer from anywhere else in the world, use the following: MIZAAN Foundation, Lloyds Bank, IBAN number GB43LOYD 30995024427716, BIC LOYD GB21287. Please use the following reference: MOR-Winter. 100% donation. Links in the description of this video.